Welcome to BeeCoinWise, where innovation meets opportunity. Imagine earning hard-earned cash just by doing your everyday shopping from the same stores you already shop from daily. Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive in and explore how BeeCoinWise can change the way you shop and earn. BeeCoinWise is a loyalty program like no other. No points, no butterflies, just cash rewards for your shopping. Change just one habit, and that's how you pay. What makes this business unique is that we get paid for the shopping we do anyway. Plus, we get rewards from other shoppers also. And we don't lose any of the in-house benefits or rewards we already get from the merchants. With over 90% of our monthly spend possible at BeeCoinWise merchants, the opportunities are endless. From groceries to electricity, fuel, water, meat, veggies, medical, clothing, takeaways, online stores, and much more, our merchants are growing by the day. You can earn money back on the things you buy every day. Our shopping community starts with you. When you join, you'll have 4 tiers to build your shopping community. Your first tier allows space for 10 shoppers. Your second tier has space for 100 shoppers. Your third tier has 1,000. And your final tier has a maximum of 10,000 shoppers. All 4 tiers form your entire shopping community. Every time your members shop, you earn a monthly passive income. Let's look at an example. If each member in your team spends just 2,000 rands each month through the CelBux wallet system and BeeCoinWise, your passive income would be over 120,000 rands per month every month. And that's a conservative estimate. In reality, this amount could be much higher. But that's not all. You can also earn weekly income through 3 additional streams. For every new shopper you personally introduce, you get a once-off 50 rand. There's no limit to the number of shoppers you can introduce to the community. And as your shopping community fills up, you can earn an extra 250,000 rands. This is based on a full shopping community of 4 tiers, and it's earned through your existing members, personal introductions, and from spillovers from your team members above you. Not to mention the bonuses you receive from the ranking system. As your community grows, you get once-off rewards. Ask to attend our full presentations to learn more. Shopping and earning a passive income has never been so easy, with no monthly fees, and just pay 350 rands once off. This for your starter pack, full of goodies, including automated done-for-you marketing material to accelerate your growth, just like this video you watching right now. There is no selling, just telling. Join BeeCoinWise today and start building your shopping community from today. Get back to the person who sent you this video and become a BeeCoinWise earner. Why wait? Click the link below to register now. Your questions can come later. The opportunity is here, and there's no better time than now. Every moment you delay is money you could already be earning from your own shopping and from others. BeeCoinWise, where innovation meets opportunity. Join the movement and start earning from today.